None of your science classes were this fun. Imagine a classroom where every lesson feels like a magical adventure. Today, we're going to bring that magic right into your home. Get ready to embark on a journey where science meets magic, and every experiment feels like a spell being cast. Today, we're turning ordinary kitchen items into a colorful, fizzy spectacle. Get ready to be amazed as we transform simple ingredients into a bubbling, fizzing wonderland. This isn't just any science experiment, it's a vibrant display of chemistry that will leave you in awe. First things first, here's what you'll need. Baking soda, which is the star of our show. This common household item is about to become the hero of our experiment. It's amazing how something so simple can create such a dramatic effect. Vinegar, the trusty sidekick that will help create our fizzy magic. Make sure you have enough because we're going to need it for some spectacular reactions. Vinegar is an acid, and when it meets baking soda, the magic truly begins. Food coloring to add a splash of color to our experiment, clear cups or beakers to hold our ingredients, and a tray or large plate to catch any spills. Got it? Awesome, let's get started. Setting up your experiment is half the fun, so take your time and enjoy the process. Let's start with a few tablespoons of baking soda in each cup. This is where the magic begins. Make sure to distribute it evenly among the cups. The more precise you are, the better your results will be. Sprinkle it in like you're adding magic dust. Imagine you're a wizard casting a spell. The more baking soda you add, the more dramatic the reaction will be. This is your chance to play the role of a scientist and a magician all at once. Next, add a few drops of your favorite colors. This is where you can get creative. Choose colors that you love or mix them to see what new shades you can create. The colors will make the reaction even more spectacular. Blue, red, green, go crazy with it. The more vibrant the colors, the more spectacular the reaction will look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. This is your canvas, and you are the artist. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. This is where the real magic happens. Are you ready to see some fizz? This is the climax of our experiment where all our preparation pays off. Grab that bottle of vinegar and pour it into the cups. Pour slowly at first to see the reaction start, then add more for a bigger fizz. The reaction will be immediate and thrilling. Watch closely as the fizzy magic begins. Isn't that amazing? The reaction is instant and mesmerizing. The bubbles will start to form and rise, creating a beautiful, fizzy display. It's like watching a miniature volcano erupt right before your eyes. But how does it work? What's the science behind this magical reaction? Understanding the science makes the experiment even more fascinating. When baking soda, which is a base, meets vinegar, an acid, they react to form carbon dioxide gas, creating all those fun, fizzy bubbles. This is a classic acid-base reaction that you can see and hear. The gas forms bubbles that rise to the surface, creating that fizzy effect. And there you have it, magical fizzy reactions. This simple experiment is a great way to learn about chemical reactions while having a lot of fun. It's a perfect blend of education and entertainment. Try mixing different colors or using more vinegar for even bigger reactions. You can also try using different types of vinegar to see if the reaction changes. Each variation can lead to new and exciting results. Thanks for joining us on Magical Science Experiments. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Remember, science is all about curiosity and exploration. Keep experimenting and discovering new things. See you next time for more fun science adventures. We have a lot more exciting experiments lined up for you, so stay tuned. Each experiment is a new opportunity to learn and have fun. Don't forget to subscribe for more magical science experiments. Hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey to discover the wonders of science. Your next adventure in the world of science is just a click away.